Guys, fishing addicts. On today's video we'll be wading the Illinois lock dam. I forgot which lock dam it was, but we will be wading it, and looks like the water dropped a lot, so we will be cranking for some hybrids and hopefully big smallmouth. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go get her. Alright guys, we are at our first point, first destination. Let's see if we can catch a monster. There we go. Oh, nice. What is it though? What is it? It's not a gar. Oh, it's a nice smallmouth. Come on there, buddy. There we go. Oh, guys, that's a nice smallie. It's nice and warm. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get the hooks out. For the bass, I've developed a fear of hooks now, since I removed so many of them from my body. And that beautiful smallmouth, beautiful. Take a quick picture. There you go. I was just thinking to move a little bit further down the current, but I was still optimistic because of the dam. There is high concentration of oxygen over here. And I figure the fish will be over here since the water is piss warm. And I see a turtle right there. Get myself to a better. I don't know if I got a fish or I snagged some line and I snagged the line, which has a fish on it. Oh boy. Oh, look at that, guys. We got ourselves a nice crankbait, 6 cents. Nice. Well, it's turning out to be a great day after all. I'm gonna snip this. put it right there. Come on. Well, got my lure, which is a big plus. And now let's see what we have on the other end. Remember I told you guys the sudden drops, and it's one of them right here. Whoa. You can go up to from a foot to 6 feet in no time, so you gotta really be careful what you're doing, and which is whoa. I don't want to go any further than this because it is a real steep drop. And I really don't want to leave this line in there, but let's see if we can somehow. Okay, pull it off. I just need to tie it to something. Won't be this. Yeah. Oh shit. Well, that didn't work out as planned. Okay, it broke off. Well, at least we got some of it out. Just, I know for a fact I really didn't want to take the risk to get submerged. Yes, it's a bad situation. There we go. Wow, these little guys put up a show, guys. Come on. Hold up there, buddy. Hold up. You're good. Hold up. There we go, little guy. This one was right on the edge of the current. Look at that nice cat. It's a shame he died. Oh God. This is a big gar, guys. This is a real big gar. There's no way I can land this. Look at that. Holy crap. That's not what I wanted at all. Alright, so how we're gonna land this fucker before he breaks my rod tip? This is not what I wanted at all. That sucker is big too. Come on. Come on. Almost. There we go. Whoa. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. I really didn't want to land one of these guys, and especially this one was extremely big, and looks like there's a bunch of them over there. I think the perch is attracting the gar only. Might have to change the color. And I know I got the sun right in front of your eyes, but these are the given circumstances for now. There should be 4 hybrids. And there we go. I hope it's not a gar. You don't fight like a gar. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Guys, we might even do catch and cook. What do you think? Oh, yeah. Come here, baby. Come here. No, no, no. There we go.
Hold on, buddy. Yeah, it's a nice eater right there, guys. So we found where the bass are. Okay guys, we are hooked on. We are hooked onto a big, I believe it's a smallmouth, not too sure. I'm just trying to get it out of the current. No, I'm not gonna rush, because the other one, the big one that I had, I rushed it and it came off. So I'm just gonna take my time. Oh, it's a nice, it is a nice fucking bronze back. Nice bronze back, nice. Come on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Oh, it's barely hooked. It is barely hooked, guys. It is barely hooked. I'm just gonna get it tired. Oh, crap. And I got my net man over there. Holy crap, guys. This is a nice one. Stay down. Stay down. Yes! Fuck yeah! Alright guys, let's get the hooks out. Keep going straight. Yeah, a little bit more to this side and keep coming.
Here?
This is what I'm talking about. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. It is all worth. It is all worth the walk, guys. It is all worth the walk. There you go, big girl. There we go. What's that? A catfish? No, a drum. Well. Guys, we are not picky eaters. Just have to find my pliers. Okay, buddy, hold on. Found them there, right in front of the current edge. And these are not that big, but they are delicious. I know a lot of people don't like eating drum, but I prefer it over catfish. Alright guys, I got another lunker. I had to turn off my camera to save an embarrassing moment from my buddy over here. No, don't go there, don't go there. Come on, get off the current. No, don't come by me. There we go. Come on. Oh yeah. Nice.
It's like my first one.
It's not like your first one, it's way bigger.
No way. Not way bigger. Bigger maybe, but not way bigger. When you get him out, I need a light. My lighter is quick. Nice one.
Look at that, another nice one, guys. Has some leeches, but it's a tank. It's a freaking tank. Come on, girl. There we go. Well, addicts, the sun is getting pretty high and the bite slowed down to an extreme. So maybe I should have went to my spot from the start instead of wasting hour and a half by the dam. But oh well, we got ourselves a little dinner, and hopefully the video turned out pretty great. Well, we're facing the sun all the time, so can't complain. But regardless, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.